What if I told you there is an operating system built specifically for hacking, an OS used by cybersecurity professionals, ethical hackers, and penetration testers all around the world, and it is 100% free? Today I am going to show you exactly what Kali Linux is, why it is so powerful, and why you should learn it. Welcome to chapter 1 of our complete Kali Linux series. Let's go. Part 1. What is an operating system? An operating system OS is the software that runs your computer. Windows, most common OS for normal users. Mac OS, Apple computers. Linux, open source free, used by developers and hackers. In simple terms, think of your computer like a car. The operating system is the engine. Without it, nothing works. Windows is like a Toyota, common and easy. Kali Linux is like a Ferrari, powerful, fast, and built for professionals. Part 2. What is Linux? Before we talk about Kali, we need to understand Linux. Linux is a free and open source operating system. That means anyone can use it, modify it, and distribute it. It was created by a Finnish student named Linus Torvalds in 1991. Today, Linux runs on phones, servers, smart TVs, and yes, hacking machine. What is Kali Linux? Kali Linux is a special version of Linux called a distribution or distro that is specifically designed for cybersecurity and ethical hacking. It comes with over 600 pre-installed hacking tools out of the box. You don't need to download anything extra. Everything a hacking needs, it's already there. Part 4. Why do hackers use Kali Linux? Now you might ask, why Kali? Why not just Windows? Great question. Here are the top reasons hacker and security professional love Kali Linux. Reason 1. 600 plus tools pre-install. On Windows, you have Notepad, Calculator, and Paint. On Kali Linux, you have Nmap, Metasploit, Bob Suite, Wireshark, Aircrack, NG, all the tools professional use already installed, ready to go. Reason 2. It's free. Windows cost money. Kali Linux costs $0. You can download it right now for free from kali.org. Reason 3. It's lightweight and fast. Kali can run an old computer on USB drive, even on Raspberry Pi. It doesn't need expensive hardware. Reason 4. Huge community support. Millions of hackers and security researchers use Kali. There are forums, YouTube channels, and documentation for everything. Reason 5. Industry standard. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Bank hire ethical hackers, and guess what OS those hackers use in interviews and on the job? Kali Linux. Part 5. What is ethical hacking? Now I need to be very clear about something. Hacking has two sides. Black hat hackers. These are criminals. They hack without permission to steal data, money, and cause damage. This is illegal. White hat hacker or ethical hackers. These are the heroes. Companies pay them to try to hack their own system so they can find the weakness before criminals do. This is 100% legal and it pays very well. Everything we do in this series is ethical hacking on our own system or with full permission. Always remember, hacking without permission is a crime. We are here to learn, protect, and build a career, not to go to jail. Part 6. Kali Linux versus Windows versus Mac. Here you can see the difference. Kali Linux is free, 600 plus hacking tools, and this is not for gaming. And the learning is little bit curve and testing, security testing, built for it. Used by hackers always. So that's chapter 1 done. Now you know what is Kali Linux, why hackers use it, and the difference between ethical and criminals hacking. In chapter 2, we are going to take a full tour of Kali Linux desktop. Every menu, every tools, every shortcut, you don't want to miss it. In this video, if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for the full series, and drop a comment below. Type I am ready if you are excited for this journey. See you in chapter 2. Let's get it.